Drowning in receipts? There's an AI for that. Remember the days of meticulously tracking every expense in a spreadsheet? Those days are over. Managing your finances doesn't have to feel like a chore anymore. We live in a world of instant gratification and on-demand everything. Why should personal finance be any different? This is where artificial intelligence swoops in to save the day. AI is changing the game by making personal finance more accessible, understandable, and even, dare I say, enjoyable. Forget complicated spreadsheets and confusing financial jargon. AI is here to simplify things. Gone are the days of feeling lost and confused about your money. With AI by your side, you can finally take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Ready to dive in? Imagine having a personal finance assistant available 24/7, ready to answer your questions and offer personalized advice. That's the power of AI in personal finance. AI can analyze your financial situation, identify areas for improvement, and even automate your savings. One of the biggest benefits of using AI for personal finance is the personalized assistance it provides. AI algorithms can learn your spending habits, income, and financial goals to offer customized recommendations. This means no more generic financial advice that doesn't apply to your situation. AI also saves you time by automating tedious financial tasks. Imagine automatically tracking your expenses, paying bills on time, and even investing your spare change. With AI, you can spend less time worrying about your finances and more time doing the things you love. And the best part? Many of these AI-powered tools are incredibly cost-effective, if not completely free. You don't need to break the bank to access powerful financial tools anymore. Let's talk about a specific AI tool that's making waves in the personal finance world. ChatGPT. This AI-powered assistant is not just a novelty, it's a game changer for anyone looking to take control of their financial life. Now I know what you're thinking. ChatGPT? Isn't that the chatbot that writes poems and stories? While it's true that ChatGPT can craft beautiful poems and engaging stories, its capabilities extend far beyond that. This versatile tool can also be your go-to resource for managing your personal finances. Imagine having a financial advisor available 24/7, ready to assist you with budgeting, debt management, and even financial goal setting. That's the power of ChatGPT. Here are just a few ways ChatGPT can become your personal finance guru. Budgeting. Ask ChatGPT to help you create a personalized budget based on your income and expenses. It can analyze your spending habits and provide insights on how to allocate your money more effectively. It can even suggest areas where you can cut back on spending. For instance, it might identify subscriptions you no longer use or recommend more cost-effective alternatives for your regular expenses. Debt management. Struggling with debt? ChatGPT can be a lifesaver here too. It can help you create a debt payoff plan and explore different debt consolidation options. By analyzing your debt situation, ChatGPT can suggest the most efficient ways to pay off your balances, potentially saving you money on interest. Goal setting. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house or planning for retirement, ChatGPT can help you set realistic financial goals and track your progress. It can break down your big goals into manageable steps, making it easier to stay on track. Financial education. Have a burning money question? Ask ChatGPT. It's like having a financial encyclopedia at your fingertips. It can provide clear and concise answers to your questions about investing, saving, and everything in between. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned investor, ChatGPT can offer valuable insights to help you make informed decisions. Complementary Fintech AI tools. ChatGPT isn't the only player in the AI-powered personal finance game. There are a plethora of incredible fintech apps that use AI to simplify your financial life. Here are two of my favorites. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, takes a proactive approach to budgeting, helping you allocate every dollar you earn to specific spending categories. Personal Capital. This app excels at investment tracking and analysis, providing a holistic view of your net worth and investment performance. These apps, along with ChatGPT, can work together to create a powerful financial ecosystem that helps you manage your money with ease. Think of them as your financial dream team. Ready to see ChatGPT in action? Today, we're going to explore how this powerful AI tool can assist you in managing your finances more effectively. Whether you're new to budgeting or a seasoned pro, ChatGPT can simplify the process and help you stay on track. Let's walk through a simple example of how to use ChatGPT for budgeting. Imagine you're sitting down at your computer, ready to take control of your monthly expenses. Hey ChatGPT, I need help creating a budget for this month. This is the first step in our journey towards financial clarity. I earn $4,000 per month after taxes. Knowing your income is crucial as it sets the foundation for your budget. ChatGPT, sure, I can help you with that. The AI is ready to assist you in breaking down your finances. To get started, tell me about your typical monthly expenses. This is where you provide details about your spending habits. For example, how much do you spend on housing, transportation, food, and entertainment? These categories cover the essential areas of your budget. I spend about $1,500 on rent, which is a significant portion of my income. $300 on transportation, which includes fuel, public transit, and any other travel-related expenses. $500 on food, covering groceries, dining out, and any other food-related costs. And $200 on entertainment. This includes movies, outings with friends, and other leisure activities. ChatGPT, okay, great. Based on the information you provided, here's a possible budget breakdown for you. This is where ChatGPT starts to work its magic, organizing your expenses into a clear and manageable format. Housing, $1,500. Transportation, $300. Food, $500. Entertainment, $200. Savings, $500. Discretionary, $1,000. This breakdown helps you see exactly where your money is going each month. This leaves you with $1,000 for discretionary spending, which you can use for any unplanned expenses or to treat yourself occasionally, and $500 for savings each month. Building a savings habit is essential for financial security and future planning. Does this budget align with your financial goals? It's important to ensure that your budget reflects your priorities and long-term objectives. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, ChatGPT has helped you create a personalized budget. ChatGPT can help you create a personalized budget in minutes, making the process straightforward and stress-free, making it easier than ever to track your spending, monitor your progress, and adjust as needed, and stay on top of your finances. With ChatGPT, financial management is no longer a daunting task but an empowering experience. While AI is a powerful tool for managing your finances, it's important to remember that it's not a magic bullet. AI can analyze vast amounts of data quickly and provide insights that might take a human much longer to uncover. However, this speed and efficiency come with their own set of challenges and limitations. AI has its limitations, and it's crucial to be aware of these before you hand over complete control of your finances to an algorithm. One major limitation is that AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on. If the data is biased or incomplete, the AI's recommendations will reflect those shortcomings. One limitation is that AI relies on historical data to make predictions and offer recommendations. This means that AI can struggle to adapt to new, unprecedented situations. For instance, during a financial crisis or a sudden market shift, AI might not be able to provide the most accurate advice. If your financial situation changes drastically, AI may not be able to adjust its advice accordingly. This is particularly concerning in times of personal financial upheaval, such as a job loss, a medical emergency, or other unexpected expenses. For example, if you lose your job, AI may still recommend an aggressive investment strategy based on your previous income. This could lead to financial decisions that are no longer suitable for your current situation, potentially exacerbating your financial stress. Additionally, AI is not a substitute for professional financial advice. While AI can process data and identify trends, it lacks the human touch and the ability to understand the nuances of your personal financial goals and circumstances. While AI can provide helpful insights and recommendations, it's essential to consult with a qualified financial advisor for complex financial decisions. A professional can offer personalized advice that takes into account your unique financial situation, goals, and risk tolerance. Remember, AI is a powerful tool, but it's still just a tool. It should be used to complement, not replace, human judgment and professional advice. By combining the strengths of AI with the expertise of financial advisors, you can make more informed and balanced financial decisions. The key to successful financial management is to use AI strategically and responsibly. Leverage its capabilities to enhance your financial planning, but always keep a critical eye and consult with professionals when needed. This balanced approach will help you navigate the complexities of personal finance with greater confidence and security. The future of personal finance is here, and it's powered by AI. With tools like ChatGPT and other innovative fintech apps, managing your money has never been easier or more accessible. No more excuses. It's time to take control of your financial future. Start by exploring the tools and resources mentioned in this video. Experiment with ChatGPT, download a budgeting app, and start tracking your spending. The most important step is to take action. Remember, the best time to start managing your finances was yesterday. The second best time is today. Now I want to hear from you. What are your biggest financial goals? How do you plan to use AI to achieve them? Share your thoughts and aspirations in the comments below. Let's crush our financial goals together.